Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming exactly which local specialties each character needs. This saves wasted farming. Open the Character Ascension panel and write down names and quantities. Once done, open the world map and locate the named region. Place a pin on the nearest teleport waypoint so you can route efficiently. Make sure to prioritize items with limited spawn windows or single-spot nodes. And prepare glue, stamina food, or elemental reaction tools if gathering moving creatures. You now build an efficient loop. Teleport to your pinned waypoint and follow a circular or looping path so you don't backtrack. That conserves time and resin if you use bosses. Use stamina-boosting food and sprint/glide between high spots. Once you reach clustered nodes, switch characters to exploit tools and elemental interactions, Pyro for brittle plants, a Nemo to pull scattered items, or a summon to distract animals. Keep an eye on the minimap and pick everything on first pass to maximize respawn timing. You finish by depositing or using the gathered specialties immediately so you don't forget quantities. If you missed items, teleport to a secondary cluster mapped earlier or buy small amounts from local NPCs where available. That fills gaps. If nodes don't spawn or items refuse to appear, make sure you're on the correct server, in the correct named subregion, and that world events or time of day conditions aren't restricting spawns. One quick check: relogging can refresh missing nodes in rare cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.